Hi guys, welcome to the series View 3 learning series. This is our first chapter or first lesson in which we will start from the very scratch or very beginning level of View 3. So here I have just settled a simple folder with a simple index.html page, nothing else. The remaining files which you are seeing are just for prettier or code formatting purposes, so just ignore them. Just focus on the index.html page. So let's start without waiting. So here I'm going to start from basic HTML page. This is View 3 learning series. We will initialize View 3 from CDN with the simplest way. We will see the remaining ways to include View 3 in any project, but for now we are just going to include it via CDN. So this is the way to include it. If we visit this URL, we will see that View 3 source is available. You can see. Okay, for the time being just ignore it. We'll move on. So basically I have included View 3. Now I will initialize View 3 script. View 3 view dot view dot create app empty object. When the view is created, mount it to this area. Okay, currently we don't have this app area, so we will include it here. Div with id app. So whenever view is initialized or started, mount it to this id with app. Currently we don't have anything in app area, so from here we are just passing empty object. So guys, if we want to check or show a welcome message to the user, we will use mustache operator syntax, so like welcome, but we don't have welcome message right now, so we will go to the view. There is a function in view with the name of data. We will return simple JavaScript object from there with the name of welcome. Hi, welcome to the view 3 series. So I have initialized this string or this object and passed this value to it, and I have passed this object to the app div. Now we will check our output in the browsers to check what's going on. I have installed Node, so I will initialize my server by npx ser. It's initialized. So guys, this is the output from here. from here. The value is going from this place and it's bounded to this area. So what if I want to check the length of this string or this sentence, like if it have a length of 16, I want to show the 16 but dynamically. 16 is hard coded, so I will simply write the JavaScript function which is welcome dot length. Let's check in the browser. It's dynamic now. Okay, next step, we will grab all this in p tag. Sorry guys, we are basically going to start an input form input from where we will control this sentence or these words or this object. Okay, so input type text v model sorry guys, I have installed some wrong extensions. V model basically we are binding welcome to this input type. Okay, so now this value is assigned to this input type, and if I change anything in this input type, it will also be changed here. So basically v model is keeping an eye on this object. Okay, let's check from browser. You can see that value is binded here as well, but it's now in two ways. Hi buddy, you can see it's two-way binded now. Okay, so in this way view 3 is using binding using v model method, v model way. Okay, next thing, there is a function in view 3 which is known as mounted. I want to show an alert message when my app is mounted. Okay, hi there. As soon as my application is mounted, I mean initialized or mounted, show this message there. Let's check the output. You can see hi there. Okay, now if I want to change this message, let's suppose after few seconds, after few seconds I want to change the welcome message. We can do it by writing a JavaScript function and then initializing, simply assigning this dot welcome and assigning the new value. We can change that in that way as well. So I think this is enough for the first lesson, guys. I'm very sorry for my English as I'm starting all these things from very beginning, from very start. So do apologize for my English. With the passage of time I will improve it. Thank you. we will continue this series. We will move to the next step very soon.